The Toyota Yaris has been with us for nearly 25 years. This small hatchback, built in France, is Toyota's largest-selling personal vehicle in Europe, which is no small feat in a market dominated by SUVs. Like the Toyota CHR crossover, Toyota Prius, and Toyota Corolla hatchback, this generation Yaris is on the brand's TNGA-V platform. With a platform change, comes an entirely new design, giving the Super Mini a fresh start. As you may have noticed, the result looks more like the original 1999 Yaris than any subsequent generation. Unlike its showroom siblings, it is the latest Toyota vehicle to be offered with a choice of two gasoline-electric hybrid powertrains. For years, the biggest selling points of the Yaris have been its efficiency and safety, but this time the brand has turned more attention to its performance, handling, and general driver appeal. This is a car that can be described as the original Yaris was, in suspiciously catchy terms, a car that stands out for its big-small characteristics, both static and dynamic. One could think of this as an attempt to sweep away the memories of the Yaris' awkward teenage years. But whether or not you think such labeling makes sense, it is a chance to explore the qualities and characteristics of the Toyota Yaris in detail.